Guys, I'm just going to be doing a quick video on my 2003 Acura CL Type S with a fog light duct, and I'm going to be showing you how you're going to need to do the fog light duct. I haven't done this one because there's no reason to do this one, so I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this one. So the tools you're going to need are just the simple hand tools, just the sawzall, not really a sawzall, a handsaw, a sharp razor blade, and a screwdriver. And you're just gonna need to take this little duct off. It's simple enough. It's literally one screw, but it should be fairly simple to do, and I'll get back with you when I get it off. Now that I have it off, what you're gonna want to do, here's a screw, by the way, the little itty bitty screw. What you're gonna want to do is this is gonna be covered on most people's. I've already cut it out because I've done this before. So you're gonna want to cut this out with a handsaw. It's really simple. It just takes a little bit of time and is a little time consuming. And after that, you're gonna want to get what I have here is just some ducting, I guess you would call it, for it's for a Volkswagen Beetle, but it works just fine for me. But it's 1 3/4 inches. So I have some that I have already cut here that I would use again, but I've already done this, so it's unnecessary. But you're gonna want to just cut this into and make it fit, and I'll do a better demonstration once I reposition the camera. Okay, so now next you want to grab your ducting and your vent. You're gonna take your razor blade and literally just cut. Difficult to cut. I cut way too much, but there we go. And you want to do the same thing for the other side. So then you'll end up with something not like this. I hope you have yours to fit a little better, fit this a little bit better. But I accidentally made a mistake and cut this too big. So as you probably already saw, you literally just conform it to the fog light cover, and you'll. From the inside, it'll should look something like this, and you can angle it up backwards or angle it down or whatnot. So you'll then need to get something to attach it on with. So I just have my good old fancy gold tape, and I just tape it on like this. There's no reason for me to tape it on because I've already done it, but that's the simple process of doing it. You just tape it on. And I'll insert a picture of what it should look like. But other than that, you pretty much have a duct, and try not to hydrolock your engine. I'm not responsible for that. I'm just saying this is a ducting. So, other than that, that's pretty much how you do it. And I'll see you guys later.